How to make a logo for your business, even as a beginner. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you are someone that is just starting out in their business and you have no idea how people are getting these amazing logos and you want to build one for yourself, well, I'm going to tell you guys it's not that difficult. So, I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can build a logo for your business. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you need to go onto Canva and sign up. Canva is free to use for anyone. They do have a premium plan, but even on the free version, you have so many amazing different things you can do. Once you've signed up, simply go into the search bar and search for logo over here. And this will show you a bunch of different templates that you can get started with. I really like this particular template, and I'm just going to click on customize this template. And as you guys can see over here, this template is just using a simple little floral tool, and they have just integrated that flower like this. So you can put in any letter. Let's say our business name is Durden. I'm going to change the G to a D like this. And then I'm going to change the name over here. And then it just says wedding organizer. So let's say that's your business name. I can change the background color if I want. So if I want, I can go with a different color as per my preferences, like this. And then just change the color of the shape as well, like this. Now I have a different color as well. And in this way, you can customize a simple template. However, if you want to do a different design or if you're looking to build something of your own, we're going to start with a blank logo. So let's say we want to build something similar, but we want to do it with maybe not flowers. Maybe you're looking to integrate food into it. So let's say we have a donut shop called Durden. So what we're going to do, or let's say we have a high-end restaurant or something like that, a food shop. So first off, I like to color my canvas. So I'm going to go with the pale yellow like this. Now, once I've done that, I can go into the element section over here and I'm going to search for maybe pasta. And once I search for pasta, I'm going to go into the graphics section. So there's this one over here. It looks pretty delicious, honestly. And what you can do is that you can crop it like this as well. And then just do Command C, Command V. Or a simpler way to do it is leave it as it is. So we're going to leave it for now. And go ahead and add your title text like this. We're going to expand our business name over here. Place it like so. I'm going to place it at the middle first. And then what I'm going to do is that I am going to layer this and move this to the front. Now once I've done that, I am just going to do Command C, Command V. Place it right on top and then layer this to the back. And then selecting the one that's on top, you're going to just select half like this. So you're going to crop some of it. And now you have, the similar style that we built in the garden element where, the text could be eaten up like this. So you can also do this in the place of letters. It's a really cute way to incorporate elements into your logo. But if I was to stylize this differently, so if I wanted to do this for a retail brand, now for this, I would go into elements and I would go ahead and search for lettering over here and then click on see all. And there's a bunch of different lettering available. Now, a lot of these are for free as well. So I can look for some interesting lettering that can help us. I think I'm going to go with this one. So I'm just going to make sure this is centered. And then I'm going to add all the letters that we have like so. Just adding all of them step by step. Can't find some of the letters, so I'm just gonna keep on searching. M lettering. Just gonna search for the particular alphabet I'm looking for. R letter. And we're going to take this one over here, like this. And then I'm just going to remove the text below. And then I'm going to search for another D. And then I'm going to stylize this and color this differently because I like how all the elements are colored differently. So I'm going to do that like so. And once I've done that, I can rearrange everything like this, like so. I'm just going to place everything accurately. And I think I don't like this E, so I'm gonna change this for this one over here. And I am going to change the colors on this as well, so it looks a bit different from the other ones, like this. I'm gonna move all of these to the center, like so. And then I can select all of these and click on animate. And then we can add, a animation like this. So if it's on your website or if it's on your landing page, you have an interesting animation for your logo. And now let's take a look. Now this is what our logo would appear to people. And in this way, you can build some amazing logos on Canva for free. It's so simple and so easy. And if you want to integrate more into this, you can always add some more decorative elements, some more elements that might represent your business. So if this is a retail business, maybe I am focusing on hoodies. So I would just search for hoodies on elements and go into elements and maybe include something that might be representative of our business. So I want to add this like so. And just like that, you have a really nice logo ready to go. Now, this is just one example of a logo. You can make so many other types of logos on Canva as well. Just to show you guys a couple of more ideas and examples. If you want something that's not like this, so this is, more so like an animated logo. But if you're looking for something a bit different, if you want to make it a bit more chic and you're looking for something that's a bit elevated, we can go on ahead and go into the templates, and you can actually see there are a bunch of different templates for simpler or more chic designs like this as well. So in this design, you can just enter the alphabet and then you can write the rest of your name or the actual dialogue that you might have attached, your catchphrase, you can add that as well. But to even show you guys some more examples like this one over here, you guys can see it's a little simpler than the other one, but it does, do the function pretty much the same. And then we can customize this a little, and then we would just rearrange the letters a little like this. And you can even rearrange it in the other direction, but I actually really do like them like this. But even so, if I was to change the effect, I can go on ahead and remove the curve effect. So I'm going to remove the curve effect, and I'm actually going to just rotate this completely. And then I'm going to place it over here. And then I'm just going to rotate it to the same degree like this. And now it looks like a really nice, chic, elevated logo. Plus, if you want to remove the backgrounds of your logo, you can do that by going into apps on the bottom left. And then you can actually go on ahead and search for remove BG. Now, if you can't find it in your background remover, so we can just open up the background eraser like this and it would remove the background, and then you can just, put in the image. But if you want to remove the background of your entire illustration, you can click on share on the right. And once you go into your settings, you can click on more. And then once you click on more, you have multiple different options. So you can just search for remove background, and currently you will be able to find it somewhere around here or in your applications. So in this way, you can create some amazing and gorgeous logos with Canva. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.